Well, here we go. I've got an interesting day today. It's looking a bit grey, a bit miserable, a bit cloudy. Yeah, probably not the perfect conditions for going out taking photos, but well, this is the Lake District, so let's go and see. Where I'm going to head, let's see if we can find it. I don't know if you can make out, but we've got quite a lot of interesting clouds that I can see from here over there. So that's up towards, well, that's the Lake District. There's the hills, if you can see them. So that's where I'm going. Camera, tripod, got polarizing filter, got my grey grad filter, and yeah, let's see. Okay, enjoy the video guys, and let's see how we get on. Okay, so here's the first stop, which is down at Beattie Beach, which is just a bit down the road from Ulverston. And the clouds are looking really interesting. I love clouds. You know, you can see all the detail, got the sunlight coming through there. So anyway, I've got a few shots. Yeah, it's turning out to be an interesting day. So let's see. Delicious. Right, well, we're at Ambleside now, so it's about 11:30, something like that. So weather's still looking a bit interesting. So I've still got some nice clouds. So right, I'm going to head off. Delicious. I think I'm going to scoot over towards Buttermere Way, and yeah, we'll see what we get. So enjoy. See you later. Now here's a great little find. Lawton Village Shop, just on my way down to Buttermere, and I spotted that, so how can you resist? It's the local village shop, flat white, and it's absolutely delicious. So yeah, they've got a little sign inside there as well that they support 66 local businesses and suppliers for organic veg and all kinds of things, and coffee's really good. So look at that, perfect little village shop, and yeah, we are right in the middle of nowhere really, but yeah, a good find. So nip in, have a brew. They do water refills and Wi-Fi, and yeah, top shop. Enjoy. Okay, so here we are at Buttermere. Wow. Okay, it's not the sunniest day. I think the weather's quite on our side, makes it interesting. It is raining now, but it's quite warm, so I've got my woolly hat on. Yeah, so anyway, I'm not going to mess about here, let's just get on with the pictures. Beautiful little island right in the middle there. Nice little leading stream there. So that's the kind of, this is where I'm sitting. That's the kind of scene I'm looking at. See if we can see that. That's what I'm going for, the first couple of shots. I'm going to play around with the polarizer. I'm going to play around with that new ND filter, but oh my god, what a beautiful place. So let's just have a quick 360. Got some really interesting trees just behind as well. So I'm going to see what I can do with them as well. And yeah, what a beautiful day. There's opportunities everywhere. I mean, that little stream feeding in there, perfect. So, yeah. So typical lakes. Well, no rain, no lakes. We've got a nice bit of drizzle going on. I'm going to see if I can get some little rings on the water as well. Yeah, it's not a bit of interest, but oh my god, what a beautiful day! And I just love all the mist, low cloud. So anyway, let's see what we can do. I'm going to be down here for a bit, taking a few pictures, and so let me know what you think, and like, enjoy, subscribe, share, or yeah, enjoy. Okay. And the weather is, well, interesting. Look at that. The water's very still, got a few drops appearing on the water, which I'm going to try and capture some of that. Overall, this is just beautiful. got that for mist, and you've got the classic Buttermere picture there that everybody's got. But remember, no two pictures are ever the same. Weather conditions, camera, photographer, eye, whatever you see. But that's like a mirror. Absolutely beautiful. So if you've not been up to Buttermere, I'll put a link in the video below. But this is where I'm at now. So there's my setup. Again, playing around with the filters. I've got the ND on there, do some polarizing. But wow, what a place to be. So yeah. So I hope this inspires you to get out to Buttermere. Look at that. Oh my god, it's just like a mirror. Absolutely beautiful. I'll get my mush out of the way and just pan around. Fantastic. So, right, let's see what we can do. Yeah, should get some good shots here. So, yeah, I'll put lots of details up, and yeah, wow, get yourselves out to this place. Absolutely stunning. So, when I set off this morning, well, you've been following the journey, so you never know what the day is going to be. This is the lakes, no rain, no lakes. So, wow, I'm just going to enjoy it. So it's starting to get dark now, which is fine. So, okay, anyway, yeah, I'm going to get some pictures while I'm here. Okay, enjoy.